What's up guys, if you are trying to do the coffin grab in Skate 4, here's how it works. This is a classic skate trick where your character lays down flat on the board. It looks really cool, especially when you are going down ramps or setting up some crazy lines. You'll also need this trick later on for a quest in the game, so it's good to know how to do it early. The good news is you don't need to unlock anything first. You can do the coffin grab anytime, right from the start of the game. To pull it off, on PlayStation, hold L2, R2, cross and square at the same time. On Xbox, hold LT, RT, A and X together. It can feel a little awkward at the first time, so don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it right. You can activate it pretty much anywhere. You can do it while riding, in mid-air or even while moving around the map. Just make sure you have a bit of space, cause it does take a moment to settle into the animation. Once you get the timing down, you will be able to use the coffin grab all over the map. It's especially fun when you are going for stylish lines or big combo runs from rooftops. That's all there is to it, and that's how you do the coffin grab in Skate 4. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.